The Commission on Elections has ruled with finality to disqualify former National Youth Commission Chair Ronald Cardema from representing the Duterte Youth party list in the House of Representatives. The Commission and banc affirmed the decision of the First Division, declaring Cardema as ineligible. On August 5, 2019, the Comelec First Division canceled the nomination of 34-year-old Cardema. A youth sector party list representative requires its nominees to be between 25 to 30 years old. Cardema welcomed the Comelec's decision, stressing it is already moot and academic.